Hi guys, this is Washabe. Just want to show you a pre-unboxing actually. So I won't be unboxing the watch box per se, but I'm just going to show you what I got as a full package. So this is a watch from Omega. So I got a very nice big uh, signed paper bag, very nice thick, high quality paper bag. Of course, I also got the package whereby the watch was originally sent. Now, surprisingly, the watch that once you buy a watch from high brand watchmakers, they don't actually come in the watch box itself. It actually come on this one, something very simple. The watch box itself is shipped separately, and they will join at the dealers. So this is what I got. So if you can see, I think from the picture itself, you know what watch I got. I was also given some free gifts. This is a credit card wallet. This is something nice. Another gift that I got. Now this is a 2022 Beijing Olympic pins. So it's quite cool, right? And of course, finally, the watch itself, the watch box itself, so a big box. I'll do the full opening of this one later, but this is going to show you the box that I got. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel. I'll show you the videos later on. Bye bye for now.